maybe they love fashion design, but they want another side income, and you can help them through trading, investing, network marketing. So I think that was the main thing for her.
That is incredible. What is it that you personally like most about trading? Because I personally traded myself, so I'm very curious, like what really sparked your interest with trading?
Yeah, I think it mainly like at the start it was really boring, like because you're going over the education on like a repeat and repeat and repeat. But at the after you've kind of run through your education and everything like that, you actually get to trade yourself. And when you see those results come through, like you maybe like I probably made like $20 in my first like couple of trades, but it was still like, oh my gosh, like I could have made this much money from like 1 hour of work in my part-time job, but I'm not working. I'm literally on my computer looking at charts and making $20 through that. Like it's not easy money. Obviously, I did have to do a lot of education to get to that stage, but at the end of the day, it's better than going to a part-time job. And I was like, okay, if I can do this from just sitting at home and doing some education, like why does no one else want to do this? Like, why does everyone want to go to a 9 to 5 or a part-time job and sacrifice their time and freedom? So that was something that was really like fun to me. I would just sit at my, it was like playing games. Like I think trading is kind of like a game. You just learn the system and then you just try out a bunch of things that work for you and then place a few trades, and there you go. You've made like someone's daily income in a couple of hours or through a couple of trades and stuff. So I think it's just that feeling that you get once you start making profits, and you just it gets you into trading a little bit more. And that's what I've seen with a lot of people that I do mentor. Once they start making a bit of profit, they're like, oh my gosh, like this is actually fun. Like the education part is the boring part, but once you start making the profits, it's fun. And people do obviously lose money as well. Like I did lose money as and still do because that's trading. But at the end of the day, it's like, okay, how can I make that money back? Like what did I do wrong? Like it's just, asking yourself questions and just being on your own and being able to sit at your computer and just place trades and look at the markets. Like, especially as a woman, I think it was just something that was very empowering for me because I didn't see a lot of girls doing this. So it was kind of like if a guy asked me, oh, so what do you do? I'm like trading. So it's just kind of that feeling that you get as well. Maybe it's just my ego, but it's kind of like, doing trading as a girl. I think it's quite cool, like, because not a lot of girls do, and it's just good skill to have as well. So that's something that really just stuck me to doing trading, is to continue that and just kind of inspire other women that think this is a male dominated industry and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it is true what you said. Like if you ask a woman like what is it that what is it that she does, and you say trading, it's going to be like, oh wow, trading, like it's completely out of the ordinary for most, you know. So I think it's
Yeah.
really cool that you do that. I want to backtrack a little bit if you don't mind. Like what was your upbringing like? Like you sound like you always been very creative. You always had an idea to always aspire to do something with your life. Like where does all of that come from? Was it like from the way you were raised by your parents? Like I'm really curious, what was your upbringing like?
Yeah, for sure.